Hi, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be a really quick one, but I just wanted to tell you all in the new year for our first dividend-related video, Yield Boost, which we discussed towards the end of last year, Yield Boost by Granite finally debuted about 4 months later. We had said like mid-September, but it was actually late December, so it was just over 3 months. But the Tesla fund, which is their first one that has gone public. So let's cover that real quick. We are going to go straight to the horse's mouth, meaning the Granite Shares site, and we will just look over the fund and what we can see so far. And then we'll go over fund performance and things like that. It was really a great day in the markets today. I'm going to do a separate video on all my options trades today. Made like probably 4,000 in the market today. Phenomenal. Okay, so let's go over this one here. Okay, so here we go. This is their new flagship ETF, Yield Boost Tesla. Now, these are going to be very similar to Yield Max, but there's a unique catch to these, which we're going to discuss when we have Will Ryan back on, which is going to be very soon. So the Yield Boost Tesla ETF, this is like the front of their page now. The primary investment objective is to seek current income. The fund's secondary investment objective is to seek exposure to the performance of one or more exchange-traded funds whose shares trade on a U.S.-regulated securities exchange and that seek daily leverage investment results of 2 times. So this is what's fascinating about Yield Boost. Okay, it's going to be different than Yield Max in that it's double levered. Okay, it's going to have double the leverage. So this is why they call it Yield Boost. It's kind of a complicated advanced product. The NAV as of January 2nd was 22.12, closing price 22.35. So it's going up. So it's trading at a premium currently. It's actively managed and it's going to pay monthly distributions. So I believe in 2025, we're going to see huge distributions from this fund given the 2x leverage. It literally just went public December 18th. The expense ratio is very low as well, 1.07% annualized. 99.99 basis points. High income potential, complement fixed income portfolio, performance. We're going to fill all this out as we go. Um, fund sector breakdown, of course, technology. The distribution. Here we go. We actually already declared a dividend. It looks like it was 4.6 cents paid New Year's Eve. Distribution rate is already 60%. Which is incredible. So this is going to be a different concept than, of course, Yield Max, than Rec Shares, and of course, than Defiance funds and Curve funds. We're going to have all the fund managers back on probably this month, by the way. So let's look at something real quick. Let's look at the performance of the fund so far, since we've been public for about 2 weeks. I feel like we went public when Papa Powell spoke last when he tanked the markets, although it seems like the markets have recovered. I think a big part of why the markets went up today was because of Congress. The new Congress got sworn in today. Um, Mike Johnson keeps his speakership, and the Senate flipped hands. So the new Congress is officially in 2 weeks ahead of the inauguration. So let's do this here real quick. Let's look at Seeking Alpha, TSYY. Let's just go compare it to Tesla, because we know they're all kind of targeting Tesla, right? Let's compare it to 3 of them, Tesla, and then let's do TSLP. I really like curve funds, by the way, because we're getting the appreciation along with the dividend as well. Like I say, I'd rather have a lower dividend with a more stable NAV. Okay, so we've gone from 23.87 to 25.44, so we're up already 14%, and we're already paying a 16 or 60% dividend, which is phenomenal. So now let's go compare this to Tesla, Tesla, and TSLP. Everyone's coming out with their own Tesla fund, it seems like. So we're going to do this real quick, then we're going to wrap up. We're going to do over the last 5 days here. So the winner is TSYY. How about that? Let's go since December 18th. Now, I've had Will Ryan on the channel like 3 times. This is the big thing I've been wanting to talk to him about. So when he comes on this month, we can finally talk to him about this. Oh, that's right. 2025, right? Last year really flew by. We're just gonna have to do, it only goes to New Year's Eve, it looks like. Oh, that's a bummer. You know what? I think that's all we're going to get. But anyway, you see the winner clearly as TSYY. Let's look at dividends real quick. Dividends already, like I say, are phenomenal. Paid 5 cents already. It's projected at a 60% dividend payout. Let's see what it says here for dividend history. There it is, December 27th. Dividend safety. Doesn't say dividend growth. We're not going to have anything for that yet because it's too new. Dividend yield. Okay, so that's pretty much going to wrap it up, folks, because that's about all we have for now. But anyway, happy to say that this fund is finally public. Let's see. Just saw MSTX is paying me a dividend. You say it's doo-doo, huh? I wonder why. 14.43 per share dividend. Yeah, I mean, it has to do again, folks, with the double leverage. It's like a 2x. So it's a novel concept. It's something we're going to be talking a lot about this year. And I guarantee you, Will and Granite shares are probably going to become as popular as Jay and company. They're going to be another like Roundhill. So we're going to get all of them back on. Anyway, thank you all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe, and join Discord. And we will see you all tomorrow. Take care. Good night. And bye.